In lovely Blocky Park, where colorful flowers grew tall, lived Rosie. Rosie was a kind, rectangular pink block with a smooth, gentle surface. She loved to watch the little blackbirds fly among the block trees. One sunny morning, Rosie saw something sad. The old wooden patterned birdhouse block was broken on the ground. "Oh dear," sighed Rosie. "The little blackbirds have no home now." A green, pointy star-shaped block named Spike grumbled nearby. Spike had 5 sharp green points and often looked a bit cross. "Silly birds," muttered Spike. "Always chirping too loudly." Rosie looked at Spike. "But Spike, they need a safe place. Maybe we could build them a new one?" Rosie suggested, her pink shining. Spike huffed. "Building a birdhouse? Sounds like a lot of work for nothing." Just then, a tiny, round yellow blackbird, Chirpy, landed near Rosie. Chirpy looked at the broken house with its small, sad, black dot eyes. "Tweet tweet, sad tweet," chirped Chirpy quietly. Rosie felt even more determined. "We have to help, Spike." Spike looked at the little sad Chirpy, and his green points twitched. "Oh, all right," he grumbled, though his voice was a little softer. "But it better be a good one." Rosie beamed. "It will be. Let's find some good building blocks." They found strong brown log cylinder blocks for the walls, and flat, wide, red roof tile blocks. Rosie carefully stacked the brown log blocks to make a cozy box. Spike, surprisingly, used one of his sharp points to make a perfect round entrance hole. "Not bad, Spike," Rosie said with a smile. Spike just grunted, but he looked a little pleased. They needed a perch for the birds to land on. Rosie found a small, smooth, gray stick block. Spike helped wedge it firmly just below the entrance. Now for the roof. They used the flat red roof tile blocks. 1, 2, 3, the roof was strong and slanted. "It needs to be pretty," declared Rosie. She found tiny, bright yellow flower-shaped blocks. She carefully attached them around the entrance hole like a wreath. The new birdhouse looked wonderful. Strong, cozy, and pretty. Chirpy flew over and peeked inside. "Tweet tweet. Happy tweet." Chirpy sang, hopping with joy. Chirpy flew in and out, exploring its new home. Other little blackbirds soon arrived, chirping happily. Spike watched them, and a tiny smile appeared on his pointy green face. "Well," Spike said, trying to sound gruff, "I suppose it's all right." Rosie giggled. "It's more than all right, Spike. It's perfect." They learned that helping even the smallest creatures feels wonderful. And sometimes, even a grumpy-looking block has a kind heart hidden inside. The new birdhouse stood proudly in Blocky Park, a home built with care and teamwork.